Okay, did you put the girly on? Is the boy driving the girl around on the horse? You want to put the hippo in too, huh? You want to put my slipper in there? You want to put my shoe in there? You want to put my shoe in there? Oh, you want to put that on my foot? Okay, here. Put it on my foot. No, no, no. Ah, don't bite my foot. Put the slipper on my foot. Can you do it? Almost. Gotta turn it around. Do not. Oh, you're gonna hug my foot? Oh, thank you, Tesla. Thank you for hugging. Do not bite it. You're sneaky. I know you really want to bite it. She likes to bite my toes, apparently. Could you put the shoe on? No? Okay. Bye-bye. Bye.